Hi, my name's Grant Gilbert from Gilcom Ltd to Pookie, New Zealand. Today we're going to have a look at Picassa from Google, and I'm going to show you how to download and install it, and basically just use it for backing up photos. I want to show you how to back up to CD or DVD all your photos. Okay, so go into your favourite search engine, whether it be Google or Live Search, and type in Google space Picassa and push enter. Now it comes up straight away, and you can scroll down the bottom here, or halfway down you'll see Picassa from Google, so I'll click on that. Now to the right it says download Picassa, so I'll click on that. I will download it, and pops up with this to protect security, so I'll click download file because I know the file is perfectly okay, and I will save it to my desktop. So I'll click on desktop and then I'll click save. And down it will come. Right, I'll close my internet browsers, and on the desktop we have an icon that says Picassa, so I'll double click that to install it, and I'll click run. This works with Vista as well, which is quite good. Now I agree to Google's license agreement, install it, and away we go. Now it gives us some options here. Create shortcut on desktop, yes we want that. Add a shortcut to quick launch, no I don't want that. Show a system tray icon, no I don't want that. Don't want to run it yet, and I don't want to set Google as my search engine. Okay, so but you can do those things if you want, but I just don't want that, so I'll click finish. We end up with an icon on the desktop, Picassa 2, so I'll double click it to run it, and it will start up Picassa, and there we go. This program is just a beautiful program to use. It's nice, simple and clear, and it's ideal for backing up all your photos or just backing up some of the photos that you have on your hard drive. And I will show you how to back up all your photos to start with, and then I will show you how to make a gift CD, which will back up just a couple of 3 folders, and I'll show you how that works. Right, to back up your entire photo library is really simple. We can either back it up to CD or DVD, depends on what sort of writer you have. If you have a CD writer or a DVD writer, it works on both. So we click on Tools up the top, then we come down to Backup Pictures. Okay, then it says create a set or use an existing one, so we can just leave that like it is, or we can edit it. So I'll call it Grant's Backup Set. Okay, and we'll do all pictures excluding movies. If you want to do movies, you can include all file types, so it does absolutely everything that's in there. Okay, so we'll click change. Now to the right we go select all, and here it says 134 folders, 1469 files. The total is 3.1 gig. It will take either 6 CDs or 1 DVD. So we know basically what we need, our resources that we need to have on standby, ready to put into the computer, to do our backup. Now over on the right hand side, over here, we just click burn, and when you click burn, it'll say insert a disk, because I haven't got one in there, and away it goes. It's as simple as that. Now we'll make a gift CD, and I'll show you what it does in the end result, because I'll actually make one. So what we do is we start off by, I've highlighted one folder here that says Fiji Holiday June 2007. So up the top there's a button that says gift CD, so I'm going to click on that. Now that's one folder on my hard drive of photos. Okay, now I'm going to add more, so down the bottom here it says add more photos basically, so I click on that, and I want to add, say, I'll find another folder here somewhere. Here we go, Tarawera, November 2005. There's 26 photos on that. Now, what it does is, again, down the bottom here, it shows you 2 folders, 75 files, 127.4 megabytes. It's going to use 1 CD or 1 DVD. So now I'm ready to burn my CD. So over here it says name of gift CD. I'll change that. Get rid of that, and I'll type Grant's gift CD. And then on the, oh, it helps if you spell things correctly too, generally. It looks a bit nicer. Here we go. Now I'll click on burn. Oh, you'll notice that I never use apostrophes or any thing like that in the names. And that's basically because of old school with computers, and they didn't like that sort of, those characters and things, so I just leave that off. Anyway, so now I'll click burn disk. So I click on burn disk, and it says preparing to write. And down the bottom right hand corner you will see it says writing, and it's actually writing the data down there. So that just takes a wee while, not too long. Now it's completed the burn, and it says it's complete. Would you like to eject or show the CD? So I clicked eject, and now I'm going to put the disk back in the drive. Okay, so our slideshow is started up, and we've got 2 folders there. There's the thumbnails of the folders. So if I choose Fiji Holiday June 2007, click on that, and then it starts to play it automatically as a slideshow. You see? Down the bottom you can also alter the time in which it takes to actually change from one slide to the next. So I've changed that to 5 seconds, so it takes longer. And to come back to the main menu, you push escape on the keyboard, and that brings you back to the main menu, and then you can choose the other slideshow. And it's remembered the 5-second time that I wanted to actually go between slides. So that's really, really nice, this program, if you want to give somebody a gift CD of your photos. It's really simple, and they just have to put the disc in their CD-ROM drive, and it will automatically start to play. And you can also get at the files, which I'll show you now. Down the bottom left corner we have 2 options. We can either import to Picassa, or we can save to disk. So again, if you give somebody these files and they've got Picassa, they can import them straight into their Picassa library, or they can just save them to disk. And it's really, really simple and really good. It's a brilliant piece of software.